In this video, we will see that how we can configure Python on Mac. On Mac also, Python comes pre-installed. We don't have to install it ourselves. To check this on Mac, you can open Terminal. In Applications, there is Utilities. In Utilities, you will get the option of Terminal. Same like Linux, you will write the command of Python or Python 3. Then the installed version 2 or 3 will be displayed. You will be able to check whether Python is properly working or installed on Mac or not. Here also, the main hurdle is text editor. For this, we have Sublime Text Editor available for Mac. You can install by downloading it from its site. When you will download it, then point number 4, run the following command to find out the full path to your Python interpreter with this $sign, type -python3. You will get the full Python on which path your interpreter is installed. Now open Sublime Text and go to Tools, Build System and New Build System. This works just like Linux, where we have to configure our interpreter so we can execute our program properly. When you will open this kind of command will be displayed. You will delete now whatever would be written here. Now write the command of Python 3. The address which you will get after you give type -a python3 command is the root directory address. You have to use that path and in the end have to write /python3. It will tell the operating system that which version of Python should be used or which command of Python should be used. You have to save it in the same directory in which by default Sublime is installed. Then you have open.python file in Sublime. Save it and in it write the code. Then after execution, whichever command will be written, then the program will successfully show the output on the screen.